All right, we are done with the baggie that we found in the previous video, but here are two more boxes that I want to check. This one looks promising. This is full of Trackmaster Thomas train parts. I'm looking for some models to fix and repair, and let's dig into it. I know there are so many parts, and here we have a lot of Percy's shells, a lot of Percy's that over the years I used to buy and fix and repair, and I get them to, some of these I paint them, some others custom models. I remember doing this, call it Trojan or Trojan, I think it's Trojan, yes. And we have Salties top. Here's a remote control Thomas. This one I had no clue, just let me know in the comments. And here's some sort of bullet train, another one. I think this is for, I forgot about this. A wooden, this will be nice to repaint and restore. Never done a wooden bolster. Beltram Bay, whatever car is this. Is this Bash? Yes. So I used to get and fix and repair a lot. Oh, look, another remote control flip face Thomas. So I fixed them. Oh, Edward. Nice to have you. You're gonna be very careful with that one. Thomas. I'm trying to find some parts. Looking for parts. What is this hanger even doing here? More Percy parts. Yeah, I have a lot of Percy parts here. When I was doing some videos, making some custom models, I used to start a lot of these and then came with another idea, and I stopped doing those. What is this thing? I've seen one of these. I think it's Pla-rail, Chuggington thing. So I stopped doing those customs and I continue with more videos. Henry Standard. This one is good. Bash, but what is this? Skylanders? I think that they call it Skylanders, I think. Oh, Bertie the Bus. Oh, missing the rubber wheels. Nice. Troublesome truck. Talking about troublesome trucks, I just searched on the web, and yesterday somebody posted a troublesome truck for 40 bucks. I think the wobbly wheels. This one is for Diesel 10. Yeah, we're looking for parts. Whatever I find, I will try to sort it out, because I have boxes sorted with models, so I can, find them quickly and get the parts from this. Talking diesel. Yeah, once I sort it out, I can get access to them very easily. I don't look. Someone tried to make a custom troublesome thing truck, whatever. Harold. If I'm not mistaken, this one was from the timber yard, I think. Yeah, you put it in the timber yard and a pad and then start spinning the blades. I think this one is Salties. Tolkien James. Looking for, Annie. What is this? I don't even know what this belongs to. Gordon parts. Arthur Shell, Bash, more Perseus, more Perseus parts. Push and go, Thomas. Oh man, I'm not gonna end this. I think these are for Tomy trucks. Henry Standard. My first custom models I used to make, Harold's Pal, and I don't remember all these ones. I totally forgot. Raise and lower bridge for, I think it was for Percy. What is missing? The This one was for. I'm digging so fast that I don't even pay attention to what's the name. This one's for Henry, but this one, Elizabeth. Trackmaster parts. More Trackmaster. I need to sort these ones. Which ones are good? Spencer, broken one. I don't know. This one is Salties, I think. Oh, 3-speed Thomas. Why is like this? I don't know. Some bunch of big Lego things. What is it? For the steam along. More Percy. You might think this is all junk, but here's Henry. For a lot of people, all this is junk, but for me, it's a junkyard. Oh, Edward Stender, and this. What is this? Oh yeah, I remember I made a custom railroad crossing for my son, but he broke it. Caboose. What is this? Oh, Terrence. I never knew I had one of these missing the face. And I remember that there's two different. What is that? Another 3-speed Thomas. I need to fix all these parts. Yeah, I used to just get whatever is the fastest way to fix them. I fix them, and then I make a bit different. I want to save this one. The fastest model to fix and repair. I just grab them and fix them, and then leave the rest. And that was back in the days when I used to. It's Lego Thomas. Buy and sell on eBay. I start selling again. So I'm trying to. What is this? I have no clue. I started to work with fixing, repairing, selling on eBay. Bolstro, but this one is a little chunkier. Another custom. Yeah, see, I used to do a lot of these customs. I started doing the custom for a while now. For a couple. I'm gonna focus on fix and repair all these parts. There are a lot of good models that can be fixed. Others just can be used for parts. Everything can be fixed. The problem is that I had no time at the beginning. I mean, when I start fixing, making customs. This one comes with battery, I think. I just continue making videos, and I bet you this can be restored. Really rough condition. So I continue making videos, and I stop fixing a lot of these models. Yeah, I'm finding a lot of good things. I don't know who painted this thing silver. This one is for steam alone. I bet you it doesn't work. Big loader. Another hard. It's just the front. But sometimes the inside is good. What is that? Terrence, but this one is wooden railway, missing the rubber tracks. Yes, there are more. Oh, another steam along. Yeah, right there. Like I say, for a lot of you, these are junk. For me, it's a good graveyard where I can get the parts. A lot of good parts. His motor. This one looks clean. Dash. Now that I know how to replace this, before I had no idea, so I had no idea where to get the parts, or I just put them in bins. But now I know where to get how to replace those parts. The rest I think is junk. Guys, another bridge.